How to add a passkey in Binance. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to. If you're serious about securing your Binance account, setting up a passkey is a must. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to add a passkey to your Binance account to enhance its security. Let's dive right in. Before we start, what exactly is a passkey? A passkey is a secure and passwordless login method that uses biometric authentication or device-based security features. It's more secure and faster than traditional passwords. Step 1. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account using your usual credentials. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Security. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Passkey option. Tap or click on Set up Passkey. Step 4. Follow the prompts to enable the passkey. Binance will ask you to authenticate using your device's biometric security, like a fingerprint or face scan. Once verified, your passkey setup is complete. Step 5. Log out of your account and try logging back in using the passkey method. You should now be able to log in without entering a password. And that's it. Adding a passkey to your Binance account is a simple but powerful way to protect your funds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.